On February 21, 1965, civil rights leader Malcolm X was assassinated while preparing to address the Organization of Afro-American Unity at the Audubon Ballroom in Manhattan, New York City. He was shot multiple times and pronounced dead shortly after arriving at Columbia Presbyterian Hospital. 3 members of the Nation of Islam, Muhammad Abdul Aziz, formerly Norman 3X Butter, Halil Islam, formerly Thomas 15X Johnson, and Thomas Hagen, also known as Talmadge X Haya, were convicted of the murder in March 1966 and sentenced to life in prison. At the trial, Hagen confessed to the assassination, but asserted that Aziz and Islam were not involved. In 1977 and 1978, he signed affidavits reaffirming their innocence and named 4 other Nation of Islam members from Newark's mosque. No, 25 as participants in the murder or its planning. Despite these affidavits, the case was not reopened at the time. In 2020, the Netflix documentary series, Who Killed Malcolm X?, brought renewed attention to the case, prompting the Manhattan District Attorney's Office to review the convictions. The investigation revealed that the FBI and the New York Police Department had withheld key evidence during the trial that could have exonerated Aziz and Islam. As a result, in November 2021, both men were exonerated. Aziz had been paroled in 1985, and Islam was released in 1987. Before his death in 2009, following their exoneration, Aziz and the estate of Islam filed lawsuits against the city and state of New York. In 2022, they reached settlements totaling $36 million, $26 million from the city and $10 million from the state, acknowledging the wrongful convictions and the decades they spent in prison for a crime they did not commit. The assassination of Malcolm X remains a subject of speculation and investigation, with questions about the involvement of additional Nation of Islam members and potential law enforcement agencies. In November 2024, Malcolm X's family filed a civil lawsuit in Manhattan's Federal District Court, alleging that the New York Police Department, the CIA, and the FBI played roles in his killing by failing to intervene and concealing information after the assassination.